Okay, so here is my work for this week, and I fixed a lot of the bugs that I had, so now it will pop up right next to it and not over on the top of it. Those both work, which is exciting, and I did a lot more bootstrap, so like I said, they're variably the same size. And then I did all the code for document, and it doesn't show up on here, so I'll just do a quick glance at my code so you can see at least my tree and what's going on here. Close all this. You can see I have my documents, document detail, document list, and document item in my list, and got all my folders there. And that's all. So hopefully that was enough to show you what I did this week, and to show you that it's responsive, I will just slide this over, boom, and it goes down, and that's all.